It's time to get in position to run the race that's set before you, to get rid of the secret things in our life, and to step out in boldness. It's time for us to run the race with patience that is set before us, looking to Christ, who is the author and the finisher of our faith. See that you run the race with all of your ability. We want to be strong in God. We want the living word to be part of our life. That means we have to put our trust in the one who is able to deliver us. Freely, he will give you the gift of salvation. Matthew 10 and 18. Salvation is a gift. That gift would keep us from being ashamed. It is through salvation that we are renewed daily. We must return to the source of our strength, and we must drink deeply through prayer, the word, and fellowship with Christ. Hey, if you're thirsty, come to the Lord. Isaiah 55 and 1.